My name is Shrikant.
Hi, I'm Ritika. Watch us exclusively on
#CoupleGirlsUnfiltered.
Red.
Okay, now we are going to play the first segment, the compatibility test.
What was my outfit on our first official meet?
Pink saree.
Oh my god. Right. What's one thing about me that surprised you after marriage?
I think the 6 months odd courtship kind of gave me the right expectations. So kind of knew what I was getting into. What's my favorite date spot in Vizag?
Oh my god. That's going to be very difficult. You have anything in mind?
It's your question, you answered.
But do you have any favorite date spot?
It's your question.
I know mine. I'm not sure about yours. Which one would you prefer? Probably dinner at Mekong.
Yeah, any Pan-Asian place, Mekong, Kai.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was the first movie we watched together?
Ye Jawani Hai Diwani?
No, that was
Ashiki 2.
Yes,
Sorry.
Ashiki 2.
After the wedding was Ye Jawani, before that was Ashiki 2. Yes.
Yeah.
Over the years, what's something you've come to admire about me the most?
That would be your patience, because now I'm losing my patience. So your patience matters a lot to me, and I admire that because I am that person who just jumps into things, and you're the one who tries to calm me down. So I admire that a lot.
Trying to maintain that.
What's my go-to comfort food?
Till now, it would have been cakes. Otherwise, it's sushi. Yeah.
Yeah, I would like both. Yeah.
Was the one travel destination that brought us closer as a couple?
I would say the first trip that we did, like the Europe trip, that was really nice because it was kind of new for both of us. What's your favorite dish that I cook?
She experiments a lot.
Yeah.
So,
With the minimum cooking that I
Yeah.
do, please come up with some good things that I try.
what's a small gesture I do that you secretly love, even if you don't say it out loud? No pressure.
The small things that, I don't have to ask you about few things, saying that, can you do it for me, or, will you take care of it while I'm away? So those things I think you manage pretty well, because I think we are partners in crime, so we kind of manage things well for each other. Tell me one thing that you hate the most that I do it every day.
Hate it? I mean, not hate it, but kind of sometimes I just have to wait. Like, she takes her time
Takes my time doing what?
in anything. So, yeah, I mean, she goes at her own pace, kind of. Sometimes that pace kind of doesn't match. Yeah.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
So now moving on to the next segment, it's called as How Well Do You Know Each Other, and you have to answer with the placards. Who messaged it first after the engagement?
I think I first contacted her.
Yeah, he did. Oh,
Okay, who is more talkative? Who is the funny one? I need to come down to one answer.
okay, fine. You're the funny one.
Who is more romantic? Who says sorry first after a fight? What is that?
I mean, there's no.
Yeah. We don't know when they're going to start. They just start. So,
Yeah, I mean, sometimes.
yeah, it keeps changing. Yeah.
Who checks emails even during dinner?
Hello. Okay.
Who is more obsessed with food? Who is always on social media, scrolling Instagram? Who is the strict parent?
The kids are more scared of him than me, so I would say.
Who is the cooler one?
Marginally.
You have to give this one.
Moving on to the next segment, it's called as the 3-second challenge. Do you remember your wedding date?
Yeah. Red. May 29th,
Year?
2013.
Where was your honeymoon?
Right. It's quite a few places in Europe.
Your partner's favorite ice cream flavor.
Red. I mean, chocolate. There are different kinds of chocolate, but chocolate's the commons.
Dark chocolate.
Yeah.
Be specific.
Favorite song as a couple.
There are many. Red.
Okay.
Okay, there's one song in Ashiki 2 and there's one song in Dhoni.
Dhoni, yeah.
So I think Dhoni is the song.
Yeah.
Could you sing it for us?
I think he can do a better job at it.
No. no.
think what
I'll
song
dub
is
it for you. Play it in the background.
The first luxury item you bought together after marriage.
Red. He gifted me a ring, like a gold ring on after we got married. Like first time I entered the house, he gifted me a gold ring and yeah, it's very memorable that way. Yeah. To know more about us,
Grab the latest 15th anniversary edition.